Go ahead. Get your ball, buddy. Oh, careful. Got it?
I got for the back.
Oh, you're going to move the ramp a little bit? Straighten it up? Okay, now come get your ball. Okay, that's good.
That's good.
Right there, buddy. Get your ball.
No, that's good.
What are you doing? It's fine. Okay, right there. You don't want to move it too far or else you're not going to get any balls. Pins.
Like that.
Go ahead.
My ball is
Go ahead.
This ball? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm stronger. Me.
Go ahead. Nice job.